Okay, so now we're going on to our second special right triangle, and this one's called a 30, 60, 90, and that's because of the degrees here. So 30 degrees is one of the angles, 60 degrees is one of the angles, and 90 is the other one, which is our right angle. So in these types of triangles, the length of the hypotenuse is going to be twice the length of the shorter leg. And the shorter leg is the one that's opposite of that 30 degrees. So this is our shorter leg. This was still our hypotenuse. And this is our longer leg, the one that's opposite the 60 degrees. So it's important to make sure that you have these labeled correctly. So just like before, we're going to use these lovely equations. So the hypotenuse is 2 times the shorter leg, and the longer leg is square root of 3 times the shorter leg. So if I went ahead and I said that my shorter leg was 6, actually let's do a different one. Let's say that it's 5 this time. So if the shorter leg is 5, well then the hypotenuse is 2 times the shorter leg, which makes it 10. And then the longer leg is square root of 3 times the shorter leg, so this is 5 times the square root of 3. So in this scenario, we've got 2 separate equations. So I'm gonna focus on the first one. So just like before, they could give us the shorter leg. So if they gave us the shorter leg, we're looking for our hypotenuse then. So say our shorter leg was 4. Well, if that was true, then our hypotenuse would be equal to 8. Well, what happens if they give us the hypotenuse? Well, let's say that they gave us the hypotenuse is 12. Well, this is 2 times our shorter leg. I would divide by 2, and I would get 6 is equal to my shorter leg. So that's how I'd be able to use both of those. Now we've got longer leg is equal to the square root of 3 times the shorter leg. Well, same thing, if I get my longer leg, which I'm going to abbreviate LL, it's square root of 3 and say the shorter leg was 2, well, my longer leg is equal to 2 times the square root of 3. So what happens when they give us the longer leg? Well, what if the longer leg, which is across from 60 degrees, let's say that was, let's go with 8. Or no, let's do 9. So 9 is equal to the square root of 3 times my shorter leg. Well, I divide by the square root of 3, and I get 9 over the square root of 3 is equal to my shorter leg. Well, remember, I can't have a square root in the bottom, so I multiply by the square root of 3 over the square root of 3. You get 9 square root of 3 over 3 is my shorter leg, which is 3 square root of 3 for the shorter leg. And so that's the ways that you can use these formulas when you have a 30, 60, 90 triangle.